What's up, everybody? This is Matt, and we are back here at the Mechman office. We've been flooded with requests of people wanting to see how do you build your alternators? What do you use inside your alternators? What makes your alternators special? Today, we're here to show you. So come on, let's check it out. Okay, so we're in the back of Building 2 at Mechman, and we're going to show you guys what all goes into these units as we build them, some of the inventory process. As you can tell, we have to carry a huge amount of inventory on hand to have all the little bits, pieces, pulleys, housings, everything else, to be able to build these units quickly for you, get them tested, and get them to you in your hands. So here we have some billet housings. These are made for us by Keating Machine up in Clinton, Tennessee, about 30 minutes from here. They're also anodized here in Knoxville, and then they go back to Keating Machine for the second process to put in the shiny fluting and everything out. All of our billet housings are made right here in Knoxville, Tennessee. These are our stators, manufactured to our specifications. They have our stator diagram in place, our stator stack, the thickness, even the metallurgy of the steel used in the stator stack was scienced out by us, and that's why they perform so well. Over here we have rotors, the part that spins in the alternator. These use a 1008 steel shaft, premium slip rings, and excellent bobbins to prevent premature shorts. That's a nice high output rotor right there. Next, we come to our rectifiers. We use a couple different rectifiers depending on the model. This is coated rectifier is for our marine units for corrosion resistance. This pure copper rectifier is for our S series. It features 12 press fit oversized diodes. And this is our Elite series large case rectifier, which features 12 even larger press fit diodes for even more power and heat handling. All of our bearings are either NSK or NTN. These bearings, believe it or not, are built to our order as well. The number of balls, the diameter of balls, the width of the races, the type of grease, and the type of seal that's used has all been spec'd out by us to tolerate the extreme heat and extreme RPM that you see in an alternator. We've been through about 10 different regulator manufacturers testing out what works, what doesn't, how it works. And we've landed on this particular regulator manufacturer. They make all of our regulators for us. They're extremely reliable. They charge at a decent, the OEM voltage set point for the vehicle, and most importantly, they are durable. So that's why we use this particular supplier for regulators. So finally, the alternator goes and gets dyno tested. We put it through its paces, put our proof of performance tag on there. It gets carefully boxed, and we install the final pulley, which is also made out of billet for us up by Keating Machine, and also laser engraved up there. Some of these are laser engraved by Steve Mead for us, depending on the part. We keep all these parts on hand. We keep a large number of them on hand, so we virtually never run out of stock on something. We're always capable of building something for you in just a few days. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to us at mechman.com.